everyone, welcome to Purva's Cafe Clash. As we all know that India has received 5 aircrafts, 5 fighter aircrafts. हमने फ्रांस की एक कंपनी Dassault एविएशन से हमने aircrafts ऑर्डर करे थे, 36 of them, but now 5 of them have reached India. We are the 4th country to have this with us. Egypt, Qatar, France and India. That is an amazing news, I feel. Rafale means gust of wind and burst of fire. आज हमारे साथ में है विनोद चोपड़ा जी, एयर कमांडो, जो कि हमारे साथ में इसी चीज के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. Thank you so much sir for joining me.
You're most welcome, Purva.
So, सबसे पहले तो मुझे आप ये बताइए, आपको कैसा लग रहा है इसी फील्ड में रहने के बाद में, जब हमारे कंट्री में ये प्लेन्स आए हैं, फाइटर क्राफ्ट्स आए हैं, आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
I'm feeling great actually. Now I've spent about 35 years in the Air Force, Indian Air Force, and I've seen many fighter aeroplanes. And this aircraft we were expecting about say 15 years ago, but finally it has come. It is a force multiplier for our Indian Air Force. It will be great for our future.
It will be. Sir, आपने जैसे बताया आपने बहुत सारे एयरक्राफ्ट्स उड़ाए हैं, आपने कौन-कौन से उड़ाए हैं, कुछ इस बारे में हमें बताइए.
मैंने जनरली रशियन एयरक्राफ्ट उड़ाए हैं. जनरली एक पायलट जो होता है, फाइटर पायलट, एक पर्टिकुलर सीरीज ऑफ एयरक्राफ्ट में ट्रेन किया जाता है. मैंने MiG-21, MiG-23, MiG-27 ये 3 एयरक्राफ्ट फ्लाई किए हैं. जो मैंने कमांड किया है, दिस इज द एयरक्राफ्ट MiG-27. I commanded this squadron in Hindan and then moved to Halwara, that is Adhampur in Punjab.
That is amazing, sir. Moving ahead, sir, आप मुझे कुछ ये इस बारे में बताइए कि why have we chosen Rafale as the aircraft plane?
Rafale is a MMRCA, that is medium multi-role combat aircraft, and this is one of the best aircraft in the world. There are a few more, but it is among the best.
इसको मल्टी रोल भी कहा गया है. What are the few roles which it can play?
You can think of any role it can play, like air to air. That means it can take any target in the air, and air to ground. That means it can destroy the target on the ground. It can also be used against the ships. And the best of it is, it has the capability to carry a nuclear weapon also.
I am sorry, I said it is multi-role, it is omni-role, it has omni-role,
Yes.
seriously. So मुझे ये बताइए, MiG-21, MiG-29, Jaguar, Tejas, इतने सारे हमारे पास में aircrafts हैं. How is this one different and beneficial for us?
Because those aircraft are old generation aircraft, they come into second, third generation. This aircraft comes into the 4.5 category generation, and what this aircraft will carry, those aircraft cannot carry. They are older aircraft. In their time, they were the best, but now at this time, this is one of the best. It can carry missile, air to air, air to ground missile. It can carry various kind of bombs. It has got a electronic warfare capability and whatnot, and it has got air-to-air refueling. That you must have seen that these aircraft were brought from there. The air-to-air refueling was done. Unlike the Mirages, when they came in 80s, they had to land at 6-7 places before they had come here. So
before they reached, they had to stop at different places.
Yes. So this is a multi-role aircraft.
अभी जैसे आपने बताया 15 साल से हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं ये आएंगे एंड नाउ दे 5 of them have arrived. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि बाकी के कब तक आ जाएंगे हमारे पास में?
I think it will take some time, because each aircraft takes long time to be manufactured, and it must be in the process. The government will know, may not be in the picture, but I think the earlier we get it, the better it is. Maybe शायद 1.5-2 साल लगने चाहिए पूरे एयरक्राफ्ट आने में. और
That is a good news, I feel. And इसके कॉकपिट में कितने फाइटर्स बैठ सकते हैं?
You mean the pilots?
Yes.
Pilots, basically any fighter aircraft, most of the fighter aircraft have only one seat. Okay. One pilot only sits. But we also have slightly 5 aircraft which have come. We've got 2 trainers and 3 fighters aircraft. Trainer means this can also be used for the operation use, but in that the 2 people sit, and also that is used for training purpose to train the youngster who join these squadrons. Otherwise, Su-30 we will have, it is all twin cockpit, 2 pilots sit in that. And generally, the aircraft which I have flown, only single aircraft, single pilot sits in the aircraft. Everything has to be done by the single pilot.
Wow, hats off sir, seriously. So मुझे आप ये बताइए कि इस एयरक्राफ्ट का मेजर रोल क्या रहेगा, to attack or to defense?
It can be used for both actually. This is a multi-combat aircraft, and opportunity arises, it can be used for defenses, and also, of course, it is a offensive role, it has to be used, there is no doubt on that, but also it can be used as a defending purpose because it's got a good radar system, and it can be also, what we do is single aircraft never go and take the mission. The number of aircraft along with are used for a particular mission. Like you go and attack a particular target, then you find 20 aircraft. Each has got a different role. Some are for the air to ground, some are air to air, some are going a escort to defend these aircraft which are going to attack. If enemy aircraft attacks, these aircraft take on to that. So it can, say the multi-role aircraft, it can carry any of them.
Absolutely, but I feel we being the Indians, we don't attack, we only attack for defense.
Yeah, that is a decision, that is India's nature basically, and when the opportunity arises, and we hit hard.
Absolutely, sir. So Pakistan का F-16 हो गया और JF-17 हो गया and China का F-20 हो गया. How is Rafale when we compare with them?
They are also equally good, although the capability to carry load in Rafale is a little more than F-16. F-16 has load carrying capability about 1.5 to 2 ton lesser than this, although it is also equally good, but it all depends on the pilot who is in the cockpit. Who is the better pilot, he can win the game.
Absolutely, sir.
And China's aircraft, Chinese J-20 you're talking about, is a bigger platform aircraft than the Rafale. It can carry more weight, it can go more distance, and that comes in the 5th generation aircraft.
Wow. But sir, talking about the Pakistan aircrafts, can they compete with us in the race if we are talking about?
Pakistan is nowhere actually because they have much lesser aircraft than us, much lesser capabilities than us. Pakistan doesn't stand a chance against us.
Can they upgrade their aircrafts by this?
Aircraft can be upgraded. All aircraft are upgraded from time to time, as and when the time comes.
Sir, Rafale किस तरह के arms and ammunitions carry कर सकता है?
Like I said, it can carry air-to-air missiles. 6 missiles it can carry. It can fire at 6 different targets at one time. It can carry about 9 tons of load. It's got 18 stations. 18 stations mean under the wing and the belly, it can carry, say, 500 kg bomb. If you have to carry, it can carry 18 of them. So 9 tons of load it can carry. It has got guns. It's got EW system, electronic warfare system, and it can carry all kind of armament, as I said. And the Indian BrahMos missile, you must have heard about it, air-to-ground missile, which can go up to 600 kilometers. Probably at a later stage, this aircraft also will be modified to carry that missile.
Whoa, that's amazing, sir. So मुझे ये बताइए कि क्या radar पे हम इस plane को, इस aircraft को detect कर सकते हैं? और अगर कर सकते हैं, तो will it be easy for our enemies to shoot at it?
Any aircraft can be detected on the radar. It depends upon what height you are flying at. If you are flying it very low, the aircraft will be detected very, very late. If you are flying it very high, it will be detected when the aircraft is in Pakistan, if we have to pick up. But the radar cross-section of this particular aircraft is very less. It is almost, we call it a stealth aircraft. Stealth aircraft has also got a capability to avoid the radar, and it has that capability.
Oh.
But American aircraft, there are stealth aircraft which are very, very difficult to pick up by the radar, and which are very expensive, which I think at present India cannot afford.
But I think we are happy with this अभी के लिए तो, and it is an amazing
हम
thing.
बहुत खुश हैं. I think it is a force multiplier for the Indian Air Force and is good for the country. And I think in the future we'll have the results in front in case the opportunity arises.
Yes sir. So अगर आपको ऐसा एयरक्राफ्ट उड़ाने या ऑपरेट करने मिलता तो क्या आप ये मौका छोड़ते?
Oh, never. I would have loved to fly the latest aircraft. Any pilot, fighter pilot would like to fly any new aircraft when it comes on the inventory. I love to fly even if I get given a chance now.
Oh,
It may not be
wow.
possible.
That's amazing. We'll be waiting for that, sir. Hope ki, you will be able to fly this, and thank you so much for sharing all of this knowledge.
No, thank you so much, Purva, and you're most welcome.
Thank you, sir.